Hi, good morning. Let us check Nifty futures trade setup for October 5, 2023. Yesterday it closed at 19,469. In order to get the current today's candle, it has not formed yet. We have to check yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle indicating downtrend, but the problem is global cues is good, so you have to be cautious on today because the confusion signals technicals down but global cues good, so you have to be very cautious on today's trading. Okay, what are the levels expected this one on today? As per daily chart, uptrend is limited up to 19,494 like that, but gift nifty already crossed that level, so fingers crossed. Now on downside, 19,343. So as per daily charts, range will be 19,494 on upper side, 19,343 on downside. But the thing is, global cues are good. Okay, now once global cues are this one aligning with this one, now this technical rebound is possible. This monthly chart, it is indicating 19,683 like that. So there is a possibility of this one 200 points rebound will be there. So there is a chance of relief rally up to 19,683 is possible. Only thing is this one technicals is bad. Okay, now daily chart. Okay, let us now we have seen the positive side. Negative side, on daily charts, if it falls, then it will take support at 19,343. On weekly chart, this one it will take support at 19,278. Monthly chart, it will take support at 19,189. These are the levels to watch out. Okay, now you know the trend is technicals down but global cues good, so confusing signals are there, you have to be cautious. Okay, now let us this one look at this one global cues. See, Asians shares rebounded from 11-month lows on Thursday as a plunge in oil prices and softer US labor data helped pull treasury yields off 16-year peaks. This is good, this one signal, because this one softer US labor data means treasury yields will come down like that. It is a good sign. Plunging oil prices also good sign. That is also one good sign. So good global cues. Now US stocks ended higher and the Nasdaq gained more than 1% on Wednesday, a day after sell-off. As the latest economic data showed, US private payrolls increased less than expected in September. This is a good news. Okay, now today crude prices rose cautiously Thursday as longs hammered in the previous session tried to cover some of their losses by buying in at lower levels. I think they are averaging. OPEC Plus panel maintained oil output cuts to keep supply tight amid concern about a looming slump in global economic growth. Actually, there are two indicators. One is supply will be tight in spite of this OPEC Plus panel report. At the same time, slump in global economic growth, that is negative for oil. So positive news also is there, negative news also is there. Then US stock futures were trading slightly lower during Wednesday's evening deals after major benchmark averages rebounded and treasury bond yields slipped following weaker than expected ADP employment data. This is this one good news on the on the bond markets. US 10-year rates eased to 4.73%. Good news. Barclays analyst issued a warning on Thursday about the challenging future facing global bonds unless there is a significant downtrend in equities. Underwhelming US jobs data fostering expectation of a pause in Federal Reserve rate hikes. This is good news. The yen got some much needed relief as the dollar and US Treasury yields both steadied slightly lower on Thursday after mixed US economic data overnight had markets lowering the odds of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates again this year. Then Fed rate hike may not be there like that. This is the indication. The dollar index, which tracks the greenback against six peers, held near overnight levels at 106.78. These are the local cues and global cues. You have to be cautious on today. Technicals down, global cues good. So fingers crossed. All the best.